Wednesday. It is the 6th day that our school has been closed. I miss you and I hope you're doing well. I have a little sensory example to show you, so hopefully maybe you can do some sensory stuff at home. Don't know if you remember, but when we were at school, we did colorful rice. We put it in the groggers at our program party, and then we put the rest of it into our sensory bin. And I want to show you how to do that today. So I've got rice. I have this food coloring. So at school we used liquid watercolor, which is how we got it to be so many different colors. Sometimes food coloring comes in more than these three colors, the red, green, yellow, and blue. But you might have to experiment with mixing them to see if you can get different colors if you want more than just those three. You could also just do all of your rice in 1 or 2 colors. That could be cool too. So definitely up to you, but all I have is this. And we'll have to see how it works, because I think this is actually a little bit more jelly than liquidy, so it'll be an experiment for me too. I also have a bag, which we will need, and water, and then some tin foil to let the rice dry. So first, I'm only gonna do just like a little bit. You should do as much as you want, as much as rice as you have. I'm probably gonna eat some of this rice at some point, so I'm not gonna do all of it because I want to eat it instead of color it. But I'll show you. Maybe I'll just do like that much, just so you see what's going on. But you can fill up most of the bag. You can't fill it full because you're gonna have to like shake it around. So definitely leave some room. But let's see. I'm gonna choose red because I think that's gonna show it pretty good. So, and you'll also have to experiment with how much color you put in. So I'm just gonna put in like, I put in 3 drops. You're gonna have to see, like, depending on how much rice you put in, 3 drops is probably not gonna be enough unless you're making this much sensory rice, but I think you'll probably make a little bit more, so. And then this spoon I have is a teaspoon. So, that is, you don't need a lot of water, just to like help mix it around. There's also a bunch of different ways to do this. A lot of people use rubbing alcohol or oil. The day that we did it, I couldn't find rubbing alcohol or oil, so we figured out how to do it with just water, and I think it worked pretty well. So this is pretty safe and friendly if you want to do it this way. Okay, so I put the water in, got the rice. You can see how it's kind of liquidy, and then this is all you do. Oh yeah, look how fast that turned. Yeah. So you just mix it around. Obviously, this was a really fast mix because I don't have very much rice. You are probably gonna have to do it a couple times. Like, put some in, put some color in, mix it around, see if it's as colorful as you want, and then try again. Or you might want to do like a lighter color. Either way, so I'm gonna pour some of this rice out onto, we have it here, and spread it out so that they're kind of not touching a lot, so it's a pretty thin layer. And then you're gonna let it dry. So this is gonna be like probably a 2-day thing. You're gonna have like 1 day to make it, and then you're gonna have to wait and then do you're playing with it the next day. So it's sometimes it's kind of hard to wait, but I think it'll be worth it. And if you do like a bunch of rainbow colors, or if you try mixing them, let me know. I don't know where to get liquid watercolors. I don't know where Tamara gets that for us. It's probably on a school supply website, so I don't know how accessible that is, but food coloring works really well. I think that's how most people do it, so you should be able to do this just fine. And I want to see it. If you do it, tell me and send me pictures. This is going to be the first video that I upload to our ECC YouTube channel, so it's going to be a little bit different. Leah was thinking hopefully if you have like computers or TVs, you might be able to see the videos bigger instead of just like on a little phone. I think most of you have been using like a little phone or a tablet, so hopefully the YouTube channel will work really well. I'm gonna upload all my other videos there, and then we'll start using that instead, and it should be pretty easy to bounce between teachers and watch everybody's videos. So you can also, it'll also be a good place to leave comments. So if you have questions or comments about the videos, you can send them to me that way, and then I might be able to answer them either in a next video, or I could probably just reply on the video. So if you have questions or comments, it'll be a lot easier. I'm also sending out a link to a Google Photo account, so if you want to put videos there for our classmates and me to see, that would be really fun. Videos or photos, anything that you do that you want to show us would be so fun. So I'll let you think about that, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to make another video, and also we're going to try doing our first video chat with everybody like talking at the same time. Well, hopefully not at the same time. Hopefully we can hear each other, but we're all going to be in the same place at the same time. So I think it's going to be really fun, and I hope it works for us. So I will see you in a video, and I hope to see you on our group chat. And I'm going to send an email to your parents about that. So hope to see you then. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.